now, of course, here comes the fun part with our herbs. We get to plant some. Once again, kids love taking something home, always, right? So one of the first things that's easy to do with herbs is you just get a ye old, hopefully you've sourced these for free from somebody, because there's always lots of these around, right? So fill it up with some soil. And this, we're going to use some seeds, okay? Because seeds are so easy with herbs and they fit this type of container really well. So let's do some cilantro. And what's nice about seeds is you can use, well, seeds for herbs is you can use a bunch. So here we go. So we're going to take about, about 10, 15 seeds, sprinkle them on the surface. So now the kids are learning how to sow again, okay? Because we want to use our cilantro when it's young, so it doesn't matter that the seeds are close together. And you notice we didn't make a hole because seeds are on the surface. You're just going to put some soil on top and pat it down. And if you want, you could do a little marker, easy peasy, or just write cilantro on the side. So that's one thing, and children can take them home, put them on a windowsill near the kitchen and watch them germinate every day and start to grow. So that's the first activity that we can do around herbs.